Why drive when you can ride? HARTransit makes getting around the Danbury area easy. In this Hart how-to video, we'll cover how to use the bike racks. Expand your travel distance by riding a bike to and from your designated bus route. HARTransit welcomes bicycle riders to travel on the bus with their bikes. Every city bus and loop vehicle is equipped with 2 bike racks. Loading your bike. Ride your bike to the bus stop and be ready for the bus to arrive. As the bus pulls up to your stop, signal to the driver that you plan to load your bike on the rack. Wait for the bus to come to a complete stop. Squeeze the handle to lower the rack. If the rack is empty, load your bike in the rear slot. Raise the support arm over the front tire, securing it to the top of the tire, not on the frame or fender. Make sure your bike is secure. Remove any personal items or valuables and take them with you onto the bus. Board the bus and sit up front and watch your bike. Some important things to note. The driver cannot help you load your bike. Do not lock your bike on the bus rack. The bike rack does not accommodate motorized bikes or bikes over 50 pounds. Exiting the bus. Exit using the front door. Let the driver know you will be unloading a bike. Remove the support arm and unload your bike. Return the rack to the upright position if empty. Do not cross the street in front of the bus. Allow the bus to pull away before entering the street. Then continue on to your destination beyond the bus route. Folding bikes are permitted on buses. They must be folded and you must always be in control of it. Additionally, there is a bike rack at the pulse point. Ride your bike to the pulse point and use your lock to secure it to the stationary rack. Remember, as a cyclist, it is your responsibility to load, secure, and unload your bike. Be careful when you walk in front of the bus, make sure you are safe, and the driver can see you. If you still have questions or require further assistance, we encourage you to watch our other instructional transit videos on the HARTransit YouTube channel. You can also visit our website at HARTransit.com or call customer service at 203-744-4070. And thank you for riding HARTransit.